These are rare photographs from history, presented with context and accuracy. To see more historical photos, you can subscribe to our channel. A Comanche woman and her son in a cradleboard, 1907. A damaged Douglas Dauntless on the USS Lexington, with crew trying to get the radio man out, April 1944. A gold prospector on the trail with a burro carrying supplies, Grants Pass, Oregon, 1903. A newborn lamb snuggles up to a sleeping boy, 1940. A young Orson Welles talks to the press about the nationwide panic caused by his War of the Worlds CBS radio play the night before. New York, October 1938. Actors who were to portray the Munchkins in The Wizard of Oz arriving at MGM Studios in 1938. Adolf Hitler at the memorial service of the Polish First Marshal Józef Pilsudski in Berlin, May 1935. An air transport command plane flies over the pyramids in Egypt, loaded with urgent war supplies and materials, 1943. Austro-Hungarian soldiers guarding Turkish soldiers in Reichenberg in Bohemia, 1912. Automobile accident at Index, Washington, January 1928. Barbers with face masks for the Spanish flu pandemic, 1918. Before reliable alarm clocks, knocker-ups walked the streets, tapping on windows to wake people for work, 1930. British Prime Minister Winston Churchill having a drink with Yugoslavian Communist President Josip Broz Tito at Downing Street, 1953. British suffragette under arrest after participating in an attack on Buckingham Palace, London, 1914. Built between 1205 and 1458, the Frankish tower on the Acropolis of Athens was controversially demolished in 1875 following an effort to restore the site to its ancient Greek appearance. Photograph taken in 1874. Captured French soldiers from Dien Bien Phu, escorted by Vietnamese troops, walked to a prisoner of war camp, 1954. Democratic candidate James Cox out on the campaign trail with his running mate Franklin D. Roosevelt, 1920. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. receiving his Nobel Peace Prize from Gunnar Jahn, chairman of the Nobel Committee, at Oslo University in Oslo, Norway, December 1964. Four grown men share a park slide and a moment of pure fun, USA, 1910. Franklin D. Roosevelt as Assistant Secretary of the Navy. Frederick de Klerk and Nelson Mandela shake hands at the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum held in Davos in January 1992. German and Soviet commanders shake hands during the joint Nazi-Soviet parade in Brest-Litovsk, 1939. German occupiers destroying a monument to Polish poet and hero Adam Mickiewicz in Krakow, 1940. Happy Ladies Working in a Lumber Yard, 1925. Italian medium Eusapia Palladino performing table levitation, 1895. Jimi Hendrix filming Janis Joplin and Sam Andrew backstage at the Winterland Ballroom in San Francisco, 1968. Marlene Dietrich serving on the front lines in World War II near Formia, singing for wounded soldiers, 1944. Members of the Kauai Utopian Socialist Colony in front of the Karl Marx tree now known as General Sherman, California, 1890. Nazi anthropologist Eva Justin examines the eyes of a young Roma woman, 1936. People seeing snow for the first time, Los Angeles, California, 1955. Piles of German helmets surrendered after Axis surrender, May 1943. Postman delivering letters in deep snow, Stanley Crook, 1936. Relocation of dangerous polar bear in Canada, September 1970. Roosevelt delivering the Day of Infamy speech before a joint session of Congress, December 1941. School children's class in gun safety, Indiana, 1956. Sharecroppers' children sit on the worn wooden porch of their home in New Madrid County, Missouri, 1940. Soldiers of Czech Legion on armored train during Russian Civil War, 1918. Standing just 3 feet 7 inches tall, Eddie Gaedel was the shortest man to ever play in a Major League Baseball game. The coronation procession of Thai king titled Rama IX. He reigned for 70 years, starting in 1946, the third longest verifiable reign of a sovereign monarch in human history. He acquired a fortune of up to $30 billion. The original caryatids being removed from the Erechthion's south porch in 1978. They were transferred to the old Acropolis Museum to protect them from acid rain and pollution. The Pulitzer Prize-winning photo of Tony Kiritsis holding a shotgun to the head of his mortgage broker, Richard Hall, Indiana, 1977. The scene of the last public execution in the United States, August 1936. The Serbian Black Hand terrorist group which later assassinated Archduke Franz Ferdinand, 1911. The Sydney Opera House during construction in 1966. It wouldn't be completed until 1973. Three survivors of the Sandakan death marches, Borneo, 1945. Timothy McVeigh with anti-government brochures and bumper stickers in Waco, 1993. Two German airmen are marched off by the Home Guard in Goodwood, Sussex, 1940. Vintage photo of an Ainu family, 1903. The Ainu were the indigenous people of Hokkaido and are largely assimilated into Japanese culture, with only a handful of Ainu speakers remaining. Well-dressed pedestrians glance at a beggar holding a small child and a box of Wrigley's spearmint gum in Broadway, New York City, 1909. Workmen install a 45-foot Christmas tree in Marshall Field's Walnut Room, Chicago, 1959. World first flying helicopter, flown by Igor Sikorsky, 1939. World War II American soldier with local French child, Europe, 1945. Young girls on the back wall of the tenement houses on Upper Sean McDermott Street in Dublin, Ireland, 1970s. Young Irish priest with his two sisters, August, 1903. Prisoners line up for a punishment check in the early 1900s.